Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the speaker off and remove any external cable. If the battery is removable, pull it and note polarity. Next, secure grounding with an ESD strap. This prevents static damage. Once done, use precision screwdrivers and a spudger to remove the shell. Keep screws organized. Make detailed photos of internal layouts. Those images guide reassembly. You want to expose the PCB near the charging port so you can see pads, traces, and any securing clips before moving to desoldering. Now focus on the middle steps. Identify whether you have micro USB, USB-C, or a barrel jack. Inspect how it's anchored, solder pads versus metal tabs. Use a hot air station or a fine soldering iron and flux to release the old port. Heat evenly to avoid lifting traces. Once removed, clean pads with wick and isopropyl. Then position the new port, tack any mounting tabs first, solder pads precisely, and make sure the port sits flush to avoid stress during use. Finish by reassembling carefully. Reconnect the battery, align the shell, and tighten screws evenly so the plastic doesn't warp. Then test charging with a known 5V charger. Observe LED status, measure charging current if possible, and verify the speaker plays while plugged in. If charging fails, make sure to recheck your solder joints for cold joints, test continuity between port pins and PCB traces, and inspect the charging fuse or protection IC. Replace the small fuse if it's open.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.